welcome back. Today I have an unboxing that I've been wanting to do for a while but didn't get a chance to do it. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. Actually, from the title you can tell that it's actually from it's a piece of jewelry of David Yurman. I actually got it from a vlog sale from one of the channels that I follow, and she's such a great YouTuber, very nice lady. And yeah, so I can't wait to see it in person myself. And she had bought it at, I believe, a Neiman Marcus, so it's not boxed in the usual. I'm assuming if you were to go to David Yurman store, it is probably in a box, but this is how they had it, so maybe this is the way it comes anyway. So this is the cleaning cloth, it looks like. Yeah, the here and the white. So I guess one is more. Oh yeah, so if you can see, if you guys can see that. See it? Yeah, you might see David Yurman there on the black side of the cloth. Okay, so it is here we go. David Yurman. So excited. Oh, it's so beautiful already. And I got myself this beautiful bracelet. How beautiful is that? Oh, I love sterling silver and pearl. And I actually am wearing a ring that inspired David Yurman ring that I actually got. So I can wear it as a matching set. But yeah, it does have silver and gold. As you can see, here's the gold area here, silver, gold piece, and mother of pearl. So yeah, here we go. It's absolutely brand new. I don't think Melinda wore it, or maybe she wore it once and it was too big for her. I believe the size is 7 inches, which is what I usually wear. It's kind of interesting. I think if you, well, I wear a 7.5 in shoes, so I'm assuming the wrist is about the same, and my ring size is also 7. So here we are. Let me just put it on. Oh, this is actually kind of flexible, as it should be. Yeah, it's perfect. There we are with my matching ring. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love the, signature David Yurman braid. And it's really heavy, pretty solid. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. And okay, well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys are staying safe out there, and I know pretty soon a lot of the boutiques will be opening soon, so that we can go ahead and just shop and look at all the eye candy, and yeah, just enjoy the experience. Alright, let me sign up for now, and thanks for watching.